You've planned your trip away. You've booked your parking online on www.irelandwestairport.com. You've already saved time and money. To make the parking process even easier, we've introduced a new system at entry for our online parking customers. Once you arrive at the car park, all you have to do is drive up to the barrier and wait up to 15 seconds for your car registration to be scanned. A ticket will be printed from the machine. Please take this ticket. The barrier will open and you can enter the car park. Please ensure to keep your ticket somewhere safe whilst away, as you will need this ticket to exit the car park on your return. It's important to ensure your car registration is clean and damage-free to make it easier to read. If the system doesn't recognise your car registration for any reason and the barrier does not open, do not press the button to receive a ticket at this point. Please press the intercom button to speak with an operator for assistance and be ready to quote your online booking reference and car registration. Upon your return to the airport, drive straight to the exit, insert your ticket and the barrier will raise. Drive through and have a safe journey home. Ireland West Airport, the easier way to get away. For more information, visit irelandwestairport.com.